students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now, you might be thinking why to subscribe this channel. So, in this channel you will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science. You will also get different solutions also for such as GSEB solutions, NCERT solutions and many more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that, today's topic is NCERT solution for class 7 mathematics chapter 4 simple equations exercise 4.3. So let's solve the exercise of the textbook. In that, first question is solve the following equation. So the equation is 2y plus 5 upon 2 equals to 37 upon 2. By transposing 5 upon 2 from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 5 upon 2. When we bring this 5 upon 2 this side, that is RHS side, from LHS to RHS, if we are moving any variable, then the sign will change. If it is plus, then it will become minus. If it is in divide, it will become multiplication. So same way, if we bring this 5 upon 2 this side, then this plus will become minus. So 2y equals to 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. 2y equals to 37 minus 5 divided by 2. So 2y equals to 32 upon 2. Now we will divide 2 on both the side. So what we will get, 2y upon 2 equals to 32 upon 2 upon 2. So this 2 will cut, so it will become y. And 32 upon 2. Now this is divide to divide. So this will come up and become into 1 by 2. So y equals to 32 upon 4. So 32 upon 4 means y equals to 8. 5t plus 28 equals to 10. Now we will bring this 28 this side, that is RHS side. So this plus 28 will become minus 28. So 5t equals to 10 minus 28. That is 5t equals to minus 18. Now we will divide 5 on both the sides. So 5t upon t equals to minus 18 upon 5. So 5 will cut. So t equals to minus 18 upon 5. Next, q upon 4 plus 7 equals to 5. Now we will bring this 7 this side. So this plus 7 will become minus 7. So q upon 4 equals to 5 minus 7. So q upon 4 equals to minus 2. Now we will multiply 4 on both the sides. So it will become q upon 4 into 4 equals to minus 2 into 4. So 4 will cut. So it will become q equals to minus 8. Next, 5 upon 2 x equals to minus 5. First we have to multiply both the side by 2. So 5x upon 2 into 2 equals to minus 5 into 2. So 2 will cut, 5x will remain, and minus 2 into 2, minus 5 into 2 will become minus 10. So 5x equals to minus 10. Now we will divide 5 on both the sides. So we will get 5x upon 5 equals to minus 10 upon 5. So 5 will cut, so it will become x, and minus 10 upon 5 will become minus 2. So x equals to minus 2. Next, 5 upon 2x equals to 25 upon 4. First we will multiply both the side by 2. So 5x upon 2 into 2 equals to 25 upon 4 into 2. Here 2 will cut, so 5x will remain LHS side, and RHS side 25 upon 4 into 2. So 2 and 4 will cut. So 25 upon 2 will remain. Now we will divide both the side by 5. So 5x upon 5 equals to 25 upon 2 upon 5. So 5 will cut, 25 upon 2 into 1 by 5. So x equals to 5 upon 2. Next, 7m plus 19 upon 2 equals to 13. So we will bring this 19 upon 2 this side. So it will become minus 19 upon 2. So 7m equals to 13 minus 19 upon 2. So 7m equals to 13 minus 19, that is, sorry, this 2 will be multiplied with 13. So it will become 26. 26 minus 19 upon 22. So 7m equals to 7 upon 2. Now we will divide 7 on both the sides. 7m divided by 7 equals to 7 upon 2 into 7. So this 7 will cut, so m will remain. Here also 7 will cut, so half will remain. So m equals to half. Next, 3 upon 2 L equals to 2 upon 3. We will first multiply both the side by 2. So 3L upon 2 into 2 and 2 by 3 into 2. So 2 will cut, this 2 and this 2 will cut. So 3L will remain and 2 up into 2 will become 4. So 4 upon 3. Now we will divide 3 on both the sides. So 3L divided by 3 into equals to 4 upon 3 into 3. So 3 will cut, L will remain. So 4 upon 3 into 1 upon 3. So 3 into 3 will become 9. So L equals to 4 upon 9. Next, second question, solve the following equation. So 2 bracket x plus 4 equals 12. Now let us divide both the side by 2. So 2 x plus 4 upon 2 equals to 12 upon 2. This 2 will cut. So x equals to 4 equals to 6. Sorry, x plus 4 equals to 6 because 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now we will bring this 4 this side. So plus 4 will become minus 4. So x equals to 6 minus 4, that is x equals to 2. Next, 3 bracket n minus 5 equals 21. First we will divide 3 on both the sides. So 3 bracket n minus 5 upon 3 equals 21 upon 3. So this 3 will cut, so n minus 5. 21 upon 3 is 7. Now we will bring this 5 minus 5 from LHS to RHS. So minus 5 will become plus 5. So n equals to 7 plus 5. So n equals to 12. Next, 3 n minus 5 plus equals to minus 21. So we will divide both the side with 3. So this 3 will cut. So n minus 5 equals to minus 27. That is minus 21 divided by 3 is minus 7. Now we will bring this minus 5 this side. So it will become plus 5. So n equals to minus 7 plus 5. So n equals to minus 2. Why minus 2? Because the negative sign is with the highest number. Next, minus 4 bracket 2 plus x equals to 8. So we will divide both the side with minus 4. So this minus 4 and minus 4 will cut. So 2 plus x and 8 upon minus 4 will become minus 2. Now we will bring this to this side. So plus 2 will become minus 2. So x equals to minus 2 minus 2. So x equals to minus 4. 4 bracket x minus 2 minus x equals to 8. First we will divide both the side with 4. So this 4 will cut. So 2 minus x. 8 upon 4 is 2. Now bringing this to this side will become negative. We will bring this from LHS to RHS. So it will become negative. So minus x equals to 2 minus 2. So minus x equals to 0. We can bring this 0 this side. So it will become x equals to 0. Next, third question, solve the following equation. 4 equals to 5, p minus 2. First we will divide both the side with 5. So 4 upon 5 equals to 5, p minus 2 upon 5. 5 will cut. So 4 upon 5 equals to p minus 2. Now we will bring this minus 2 from RHS to LHS. So minus 2 will become plus 2. So 4 upon 5 plus 2 equals to p. We will multiply this 5 with 2. So it will become 4 plus 2 upon 5. Why we are multiplying? We will take the LCM as a 5. So it will become 10. So 4 plus 5 upon 5, 4 plus 10 upon 5 equals to p. So that is p equals to 14 upon 5. Next, minus 4 equals to 5, p minus 2. First we will divide both the side by 5. So minus 4 upon 5 equals to 5 bracket p minus 2 upon 5. So minus 4 upon 5 equals to p minus 2. Now we will bring this minus 2 from RHS to LHS, so it will become plus. So minus 4 upon 5 plus 2. Now we will take the LCM as 5. So it will become minus 4 plus 10 upon 5 equals to p. So minus 4 plus 10 will become 6. So p equals to 6 upon 5. Next, 16 equals to 4 plus 3 t plus 2. Now first we will bring 4 on from LHS to from RHS to LHS. So this 4 will come here. So it will become 16 minus 4 equals to 3t plus 2. So 12 equals to 3t plus 2. Now we will divide both the side by 3. So 12 upon 3 equals to 3t plus 2 upon 3. This 3 will cut. And 12 upon 3 is 4. So 4 equals to t plus 2. Now we will bring this to this side. So plus 2 will become minus 2. So 4 minus 2 equals to t. That is t equals to 2. Next, 4 plus 5 bracket p minus 1 equals to 34. First we will bring this 4 from LHS to RHS. So it will become negative, it is minus 4. So 5 p minus 1 equals to 34 minus 4. So 5 p minus 1 equals to 30. Now we will divide 5 on both the sides. So this 5 will cut. So it is 5 p minus 1. And 30 divided by 5 will become 6. Now we will bring this minus 1 to RHS. So it will become plus 1. So p equals to 6 plus 1. So p equals to 7. Next, 0 equals to 16 plus 4 bracket m minus 6. Now we will bring this 16 on LHS side. So plus 16 will become minus 16. So minus 16 equals to 4 m minus 6. Now we will divide 4 on both the sides. So minus 16 upon 4 equals to 4 m minus 6 upon 4. This 4 will cut. Minus 16 upon 4 will become minus 4 equals to 6 m minus 6. Now we will bring this minus 6 from RHS to LHS. So it will become plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 minus 4 plus 6 equals to m. So m equals to 2. Next, 0 plus 16 0 equals to 16 plus 4 m minus 6. Now we have to construct 3 equations starting with x equals to 2. So first equation is multiply both the side by 6. So 6x equals to 12. Second equation is subtracting 4 from both sides. So 6x minus 4 equals to 12 minus 4. So 6x minus 4 equals to 8. Third equation is divide both the side by 6. So 6x upon 6 minus 4 upon 6 equals to 8 upon 6. So 6 will cut, so it will become x. 4 upon 6, that is minus 4 upon 6 equals to 8 upon 6. This is the third equation. Now we have to construct three equations starting with x equals to minus 2. First equation is we will multiply both the side by 5. So 5x equals to minus 10. Second equation is subtracting 3 from both the sides. So 5x minus 3 equals to minus 10 minus 3. So 5x minus 3 equals to minus 13. Third equation is dividing both the sides by 2. So 5x upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 equals to minus 13 upon 2. So this was exercise 4.3 of chapter 4 class 7. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.